friends, this is Rose here, and today I'm with my mechanic, and that's my dad. He's behind the camera recording, and he needs to do a review.
Hello, my friends. If you didn't know who was that, that's my daughter Rosalise, and like she said, we're going to be doing a review on the RYOBI 1 Plus 18-volt Lithium Cordless 10 inches string trimmer and blower kit. We just got this in Home Depot, and we're going to do an honest review here. We're going to review it from 1 to 10. At the end of the video, we'll tell you how much we'll give it. Now, this is the blower right here. It's nice. It's light. It blows pretty good. It comes with an 18-volt RYOBI battery, lithium, and it goes right in here. It's very easy. All you gotta do is press it there. Then it has this little button on and off, and all you do is just press it, and it goes on. And that's very basic about it. It also has this extra piece right here. This extra piece, you can put it right here, and it'll be a little longer to use. So this is the blower. Now we also have the trimmer. The trimmer is pretty good. It's very, very, very light. It has the handle that you can hold it and move it around. It has the on and off. All you have to do is press it here. Oh, I should put the battery first. It only comes with one battery, so you're gonna have to share it. Put the battery on, and you can see. I like the way it cuts. It also has a 180-degree angle that you just press right here, this button. You press this button, you press it, and then you can just turn it, and it turns right there. It's called an easy edge. Then if you want to turn it back, all you do is press it. And all you do is turn it. It also comes with the charger. Very easy to charge. When you're going to take the battery out, all you do is press it here. You press it, and it comes out. And all you have to do is charge it. And it goes in there, and you put it in your outlet, and it starts charging. It comes with the owner's manual and how to set it up. It also comes with a review to win. And it's supposed to say that if you review it, you got a chance to win $10,000. Now, I like the piece, but there's a but. It's like I said, it's very light, and for the price that we bought it for, I think it was $89.99. The blower, I will give it out of 1 to 10. I will give the blower a 7. The trimmer does its job, and I will give it also a 7. But this has a but. This is the but. This battery right here, I don't know what they were thinking about, but this battery only lasts between 12 to 15 minutes. If you have like me a 1 acre, this battery, one battery is not good. It stops in the middle of the work while you're working. It's cutting really good. It's blowing pretty good. But this thing is annoying. This battery right here, it only lasts between, like I said, 12 minutes and 15 minutes. This battery, I don't know what they were thinking about. They got to do better with this battery. If you this product, you're gonna have to get another battery for it if you want to last 30 minutes of work. But this battery is not worth it. Out of 1 to 10, I give this battery, I give it a 3. 5 minutes for each point. But I don't know what they were thinking about. The whole product in total, I give it a 6.5. Sorry, RYOBI. That's my honest review. You messed it up with the battery. Once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And don't forget, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.